Kids, want to keep yourself fit? Yes. Everyone wants himself or herself to keep fit. So to keep our body and mind fit, what we need to do? We need to do exercise. And where we should perform exercise? In the open ground or in the balcony. Should we start? Yes, we have to start. Now our teachers are ready in the open ground with their mat. Welcome Muskan ma'am and Vani ma'am. So Muskan ma'am and Vani ma'am is ready to teach you yoga. Whenever we start exercise, first we have to relax our body. Relax yourself and be positive. Let's perform daily ritual. Stand up. Raise your hands. See towards sky. And what 3 words I have taught you? I am happy.
I am happy. I am happy.
Kids, we have to be very much excited to say this. Say it with excitement. I am healthy.
I am healthy. I am healthy. I am healthy.
And then I am successful.
I am successful. I am successful. I am successful.
Very nice. You have got all the energy from the universe. We are ready for exercise? Yes, we are ready. Let's start with warm up. You have to do movement of your feet and movement of your hands. Kids, can you see your teachers? Yes. How your teachers are doing? This is warm up. Whenever we start with exercise, first we have to always start with warm up. Kids, do you know why we do warm up? We do warm up for the proper flow of the blood in our whole body. In our whole system, blood should flow properly. Then the result comes of all the exercises which we perform. Our warm up is completed. Now what we have to do? We have to do exercise of our mind. So kids, to keep our mind healthy, we need to do meditation. For this, we have to sit in relaxed position. See, your teachers are sitting in relaxed position. You have to follow them. Now we have to use our hands. We have to use our palm. Kids, आप देख रहे हो आपके टीचर्स ने पूरे फिंगर्स ओपन कर रखे हैं. 5 fingers. First we will learn all the fingers. This is your thumb. This is your index finger. Then comes middle finger, ring finger and little finger. First we will do Gyan Mudra using our thumb and index finger. Join your thumb and index finger. Can you see properly? Now you have to apply little pressure with the help of your thumb and index fingertip to each other. You have to apply little pressure and bring your hands forward. Keep your palm on your knees and all the rest of the fingers should be in proper alignment. Your Jnana Mudra is ready. You have to apply pressure with the tip of your index finger and thumb to each other. This will boost your memory. Jnana Mudra helps us for the development of our brain. Keep your back straight. Close your eyes. And now we will do jap of Om. Now let's recite Om. Keep your back straight. Om. Your eyes should be closed. Kids, can you feel vibration in your brain? Some type of vibration. कुछ हलचल सी हो रही है. Yes, your brain cells are boosting. Your concentration is becoming strong. This mudra is very important mudra for all the kids and all the people who are in studies. Everyone should do this mudra and do jap of Om. Now kids, we should do yogas, exercise of yoga. Kids, we will do some asanas. Let's start with yogasana. Stand up. We do yogasana to keep our body fit. Kids, today your teachers will teach you 12 poses of yogasana. And these 12 poses are called Surya Namaskar. When you will perform these poses, these all poses will help you keep fit all the parts of your body. Kids, if you will start practicing these poses from now onwards, at least with one Surya Namaskar, you will always feel yourself fit and healthy. Let's start. Raise your hands. Join your feet. Join your palm. अपने हाथों को जोड़ो और आप हाथों को नीचे लाओ अपने चेस्ट के पास. अब आप नमस्कार की पोजीशन में हो. Now bend backwards and again take your hands upwards. Can you see, kids? Little tilted position. Now stand straight. Bring your hands front. अब आगे की तरफ आपको झुकना है. And you have to touch your feet with your fingers. And look towards your knees. अपने नीज को अपने नोज से टच करने की कोशिश करनी है. You have to try your best. Slow by slow, you will be able to do this. Now you have to take your left leg backward and bend downwards and see towards the sun. See the position of your teachers and you have to follow it. Now take your right leg backwards near your left leg and form the triangle. Your body should look like triangle. Now lay downwards. Raise your face. Raise your hips. Very good. All kids are performing. Now move your front portion upwards. Look toward the sky. Now you have to again become triangle. Your figure will look like triangle. Now bring your right leg in front. See upwards and bring your left leg in front. Bend your body, touch your feet. Now stand straight and again you have to tilt your body. थोड़ा सा पीछे झुकोगे, आगे आ जाओगे and bring your hands near your chest and yes. So kids, today we did सूर्य नमस्कार. हमने सन को गुड मॉर्निंग बोला. Kids, if you perform these yoga poses daily, you will be physically fit, mentally fit by doing meditation. Practice meditation, doing jap of Om and start learning Surya Namaskar.
So kids, now you have to practice this yoga steps daily and you have to send your video back to school. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy.